Hi, I'm teacher Kendra, and today we are studying about the regions of Canada in the Discover Canada Study Guide. This will help you prepare for your citizenship test. Now, this is part 3, the National Capital of Canada. This is from page 44. Page 44 in the Discover Canada Study Guide. In my first video, part 1, we studied the oceans of Canada. Now, review question number 1. Can you name the 3 oceans bordering Canada? If you don't know, you can watch my video number 1 again. But here are the answers anyway. The Arctic Ocean is in the north. The Pacific Ocean is in the west. And the Atlantic Ocean is in the east. In my second video, part 2, we studied the regions of Canada. Review question number 2. What are the 5 regions of Canada? If you don't know, you can watch my video part 2 again. But here are the answers anyway. Region number 1 is the West Coast with British Columbia. Region number 2 is the North, which has Yukon Territory, Northwest Territory, and Nunavut. Region number 3 is the Prairie Provinces, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba. Region number 4, Central Canada, Ontario and Quebec. They have the biggest population. The most people of all of Canada live in Ontario and Quebec, the Central Canada. Region number 5 in the east are the Atlantic provinces. Remember Atlantic? The Atlantic provinces are surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. Now, today is part 3. We will study the national capital and the population of Canada from Discover Canada Study Guide. The national capital, Ottawa, located on the Ottawa River, was chosen as the capital in 1857 by Queen Victoria, the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Today, it is Canada's 4th largest metropolitan area. The National Capital Region, 4,700 square kilometers surrounding Ottawa, preserves and enhances the area's built heritage and natural environment. Queen Victoria is the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Who is Queen Victoria? She is the great-great-grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II. Who chose Ottawa to be the national capital of Canada? Was it Queen Elizabeth II? No, Queen Elizabeth II signed the amended Constitution, but Queen Victoria, that is Elizabeth's mother, the great-great-grandmother, Queen Victoria, chose the capital of Ottawa in 1857? Who? What? When? Who? Queen Victoria chose what? Ottawa to be the capital of Canada in when? 1857. Who chose the capital? Queen Victoria. What is the capital? Ottawa. When did Ottawa become the capital? 1857. You're gonna rock this test. The national capital. This is a picture of Ottawa. Today, the National Capital Region, 4,700 square kilometers surrounding Ottawa, preserves and enhances the area's built heritage and natural environment. What does that mean? The region around the city protects the city to stay beautiful. You see trees and grass and buildings. It is beautiful. And all of that around Ottawa is called the National Capital Region. Population. What is population? Population is how many people live in a country. People, population. Population, people. Easy. Now I will read. The Discover Canada Study Guide says Canada has a population of about 34 million people. So in this book, 34 million people. But in 2020, Canada's population is about 37.5, 37.5 million people. So I, Kendra, do not know about the citizenship test. Does the citizenship test say 34 million or 37 million? I don't know. So just study between 34 and 37 million. Here are some questions for you. Number 1, Ottawa is located on the river. A, Peace, B, Ottawa River, or C, Columbia River. Number 2, Ottawa was chosen as the capital in what date? Was it A, 1857, B, 1867, or C, 1862? If you forget, you can watch the video again. Question 3. Ottawa was chosen as the capital by who? Queen Elizabeth II, Queen Victoria, or Queen Isabella? Question 4. The capital city of Canada is Toronto, Ontario, or Ottawa? And number 5. The population of Canada is about 37 million people, about 340 million people, or about 370,000 people. Good luck. You can write your questions down, write the answers to study. When you study, you will pass the test. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.